Starting a successful export business in manufacturing is more than just making products. It's building a sustainable and profitable business that reaches customers worldwide. Are you ready to become a 100 crore turnover company owner with such a business? Then this course is for you. Freedom app has prepared a detailed course on successful export business in manufacturing. From product development to global logistics, we have got you covered. I'll show you how to navigate obstacles like supply chain, compliance, and market competition. Ready to turn your business into a global success? Join us in the Successful Export Business in Manufacturing course and unlock your potential. Download Freedom app now.